Hello everyone, this is Cody at Primo RV coming to you once again for Walk Thru Wednesday. Today we're going to show you a 2019 Wildwood 29QBLE. This is a lot of camper for the money, guys. This one's on sale right now for $19,995. So everything I'm showing you today you can get for under $20,000. First thing you've got is the big pass-through storage up here. Of course, it does have some nice amenities, the electric awning on the front with the LED light strip all the way across. You've got the lippard component, solid steps that everybody loves. You've also got outdoor speakers with the LED backlighting on there. Let's go inside and take a look. Of course, your screen door on the outside. Come on in. This camper will sleep up to 10 people. So you got 2 in the queen bed up front. This futon sofa folds down and gives you another 2 there. 2 here at the dinette, and then there's 4 bunks in the back that we're going to show you here in just a minute. One of the biggest features on this is tons of storage. You got storage down here underneath the sofa. You got a big pantry back here for all the groceries and everything. And you've also got storage underneath the seats here below the dinette. One of the great things about this one too, what I love, stainless steel appliance package, but this is an 11.7 or 10, almost 11 cubic foot electric refrigerator. It's 12 volts. So what that means to you is whenever you're on just battery power, it's operating this. When you're plugged into your tow vehicle and you're moving from one location or heading to the campground, you can operate the refrigerator and everything there as well. Of course, your microwave, smooth top cover on the stove, the glass top cover. Folds back and gives you a backsplash there. In here, the speakers on the outside, and you got speakers inside here. This is your sound bar with the USB input, HDMI input, and then of course Bluetooth connectivity, so you can play indoor speakers or outdoor speakers as well. Up in the front bedroom here, you got your queen size bed, hanging storage on either side. And you've got storage underneath the bed as well. So you can set your bags, or you can get little totes and set inside of here for extra storage there. If you notice, on the windows, you got these nice window treatments with the pull down shades instead of having the pleated shades that when they get bent or out of shape, then they're hard to get back into regular position. These, you have the nice LED, pull down shades all the way through. Tub shower combination. This is a bunkhouse, so with little kids, you know, they always like to have a tub instead of being in the shower. They don't like the water splashing their face. And then back here, you've got 4 bunks. So you've got a door that you can close this off. Kids are being rambunctious like kids are gonna do. You can close the door off. They have their own little private space back here. And then you got another big closet back here for extra storage and hanging clothes. Again, this one's available. We've got a couple of these left at $19,995, but they're going quick. Come out and see us today at Primo RV. Today's been Walk Thru Wednesday. This is the 2019 29QBLE from Wildwood. Thank you and have a blessed day.